Hello, creative people. Welcome back to our channel, where creativity has no limits and each brushstroke is a new adventure. Today I have a super exciting challenge for you and for me too. I'm going to paint a photo of a rooster that my sister sent me, using the watercolor technique. I've never tried to paint a rooster before, but I'm very excited to share this experience with you. My name is Norma Corrado. Let's find out together how it will turn out. A masterpiece or a creative disaster. So stay with me to find out. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell, because there's always content to inspire your creativity. Let's start with the materials. I have here one of my favorite watercolors, Nebrskaya Palitra, some brushes of different sizes and Montval 300-gram watercolor paper. The sketch of the rooster is ready. The line drawing and the reference are available for free download on my blog. Link in the video description. For this painting, I used this photograph as a reference. I want to see if I can explore the vibrant colors of the rooster. The colors used are in the video description. I start with the lighter areas, because in watercolor it is easier to darken than to lighten. The most challenging part has arrived. Capturing the details of the feathers. These elements make all the difference in the expression of the rooster painting.
Feels like you've been using me. Feels like you've been using me. You're quite the marksman, ain't ya? I think my heart's in danger. Made me feel like I was safe and sound, then switched up and switched off the safety. How you plan? How you plan? Oh, yeah. Oh, feels like you've been using me for all your practice. You drew black on the bullseye, repeat shots in the firelight. Feels like you've been using me for all your practice. Call me sensitive. you've taken. All the pain was a mess somehow. They're blanks as you claim, getting desperate now. 'Cause I found out. Oh, yeah. Oh, feels like you've been using me for target practice. You drew a black heart in a bullseye. Repeat shots and in the firelight. Feels like you've been using me for target practice. Call me sensitive when I cry, but you don't miss a single time. Feels like you've been using me. Feels like you've been using me, using me, using me. You said, I think I'll give you a shot. I should have taken it literally. You said, I think I'll give you a shot. But your pistol was concealed from me. I should have known that you'd be using me, using me. Now I see that you, baby, you've been using me for target practice. And you better know I ain't gonna have it. No, 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 no. I'm about to you do more damage. Oh, 'cause it ain't for target practice. No, it ain't for target practice. You've been using me for target practice. And you better know I ain't gonna have it. No, no. I'm about to you do more damage. Oh, 'cause it ain't for target practice. No, it ain't for target practice.
And here is the final result. My first watercolor rooster. What did you think? Did it turn out as you expected? Tell me here in the comments and share your tips too. You can be honest, did you like it or not? I can handle it. I decided to post this video to show that in our lives we are always beginners at something. It is important to know that making mistakes is part of the process, so don't be afraid to experiment. Thank you very much for following this challenge with me. If you liked the video, leave a like and share it with other artists who love watercolor. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new content. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments and I will answer them whenever I can. See you in the next video. See you next time. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.